So, ayan guys, good morning. So, andito tayo ulit sa site. Ayan. So, for today's video guys, ito papakita namin sa inyo yung pagtatakip ng kisame. Ayan o. Tatakpan namin yung kisame. So, hindi na namin pinakita yung proseso ng pagkabit na paring. Ayan. Pakita lang namin yung pagkabit ng kisame. Ayan. So, bago ang lahat, don't forget muna na invite ko kayo na mag-share, like, and subscribe sa ating channel, Wallace TV. Mga construction, anoodin nyo guys ha. Ayan. So paikot yan, lalagyan mo yan.
Hindi.
Ng kakapitan.
Hindi, meron na sa dito.
Ito meron ng kabila. Yung wala lang.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away.
Yan yung kakapitan ng molding.
Dito kaya.
Walang putol yan, Kyle, no? Walang putol. Isang buo.
Wala yun. Ay, ito po
45 mo. Ayun, kanto. So, ito yung molding. Dito ikakabit yung PVC panel. Kasi duda pa. Duda pa eh. Pag may duda, graduhin. Yung papasok yung PVC.
Ganun ba rin?
Doon sila mag-start. Ganun. And eto na guys. Nag-start sila dito sa sidings. Naglagay muna sila ng hard reflection sidings. Ayan. Tapos bago kinabit yung molding ng PVC. Nakita niya yun. So doon nila narebit sa may itaas. Ayan. Para pagka kinabit dito, hindi na mapapansin. Tsaka hindi rin siya sagabal yung umbok ng revit. Ayan. Paikot siya. Ayan. Continuous naman to. Dire-diretso hanggang sa pagkabit ng PVC panel natin. So yung etong gitna na to, kung papansin nyo, lalagyan na lang siya ng mampatibay mamaya. So ito meron na kasi to. Ito meron na. So ayun na lang yung wala. Yung part na yun. So lalagyan siya. Tapos yung mga pin lights natin, yung mga wirings natin ng pin lights, ayan, nakalagay. Nakaabang naman na. So, ayan guys. Mamaya ulit. Tignan natin. Katapos. Okay. Spider-Man ah.
Ay, bakit ang next one?
Ako na.
Wala.
Tagal pala isal pa kaya no?
Oh. Swap. may oras.
Dapat na ano. Kasi pwede mabasag yung ano eh.
Mabuti yun eh.
Oo.
Diba?
Yun. Yun.
Dapat ano ka? Black screw dapat to yung screw. Pero rikit na lang ako. Black screw.
O, yung iba black screw eh.
Black screw na ito.
Pero repeat din yung iba. Napanood ko sa iba.
Manitaw. Hindi. Wala na yung tatakpan niyan pagka sunod na bahay.
Ay, oo, yung tumahan sa may lap.
Sunod na ano niya.
Interlock kasi yan eh, di ba? Hmm?
Disgrasya kasi.
Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me, well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and
Okay lang, kahit na may kumita.
Kanya.
Alright. Alright. Bago takpan yung ilalim, papapinturahan muna natin sa kanya.
Kasabit si Jen eh.
Kaya hindi naman masila yung ano yan, yung bibit, di na no?
Nang...
Pinagana ng
Hindi na. Dito lang yung sidings lang. Kailang rivet natin dito, no?
Dito.
Sa ilalim, sa tago.
Gawin mo kaya.
Hindi, mas mahirap yung good.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
pinakamahirap ikabit. Ayan. Kaya naman yan, no? Sa daya. Ang unang ipapasok mo yung gilid, no?
Told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
May ayos na! Success!
Ano yung babalik?
Iwanan na natin to. Iwanan mo na natin kay Atan. Yung siding. Ha? Ngayon na?
Sige. Hindi ko muna natin talaga para hindi na kailangan nila.
Up dito na kayo. Okay. Tapos,
Na ano na yan, basaan.
tapos din, no? Doon naman. Kabila naman.
Oo, kami na.
Hindi ko nung kinuha ng video yung pag ano niya. Mahalaga, no? May kabit. Sumama. San?
Dito ako na.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I need you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, nagawa na yung drop ceiling natin. So ganito yung ginawa namin. So PVC panel yung harapan namin. Tapos eto yung ginawa naman namin dito. Tinambulan namin lang to, yung drop namin dito. So kung makikita nyo, eto wala pa siyang dito. Hindi pa namin to sinama kasi nga wala pang bubong. Kasi mag-inside gutter pa kami dito. So ito yung inside gutter. Stainless yung ikakabit namin. Pinapatapos ko lang yung pintura para yung sa bubong hindi na matuluan yung bubong. Tapos diretso namin to. So next vlog siguro sa mga susunod na vlog natin, yung kabuuan na neto, yung tapos na, yung ceiling natin, may pintura na. So ayan. Kakabit na lang din yung mga pin light, pati yung cob light. Yan. Yan.